I'm gonna share with you where I'm at right now in my Thanksgiving planning. Some things have changed. Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. All right, we're about, what, a week and a few days away from Thanksgiving. Pretty big, it's exciting. All right, so I'm gonna share with you where I'm at right now in my Thanksgiving planning. Some things have changed. I mentioned in my last video on planning for Thanksgiving, go click on that. It was really informative, what we're doing, what's happening during the week, tips for you, for your oven, for your fridge, for your pantry. So some things have changed since that video. We were supposed to have yesterday our combined family Thanksgiving dinner, but with everything that's going on right now, our governor asked if we could do like a few week social distance and things like that. So we're just gonna take the precautions and we're not seeing, and it's so sad. So we didn't do the dinner. We need to be careful with my in-laws. They help take care of grandma and our aunt. We're just gonna be careful right now. So we decided that we'll just cancel that. So that didn't happen yesterday. Now we have Thanksgiving coming up. I did hear back from Callie, my oldest child, from her and her husband, and they are having this year Thanksgiving dinner with their family at 3 o'clock, but they're going to spend Wednesday night with us and have breakfast and like a early lunch with us. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make breakfast the night before. I think I'm gonna do a breakfast casserole, and then I will have out some light charcuterie board things to have. So like, she loves the deviled eggs, so I'll have a few deviled eggs on there, some salamis and crackers and shrimp dip, and just very light for them to have. Yeah, so there'll be breakfast and there'll be a little light snack lunch for them, and then they'll go up and have Thanksgiving with their families. So yay! So they figured that out this year. But I'm so glad that we're gonna have them the night before, so yay. So I will make sure I have something whipped up for dinner. Don't know yet. When I get there, I'll get there. Okay, so what I need to do at this point is to figure out what I'm gonna be making and then go shopping. I've already done the shopping. The menu is in my head. It's always the same. It's in my head. I know it. I went grocery shopping last week. I'll share that with you after I show you the menu plan, but I did go shopping already. Usually I do the menu plan, write down the ingredients, and then go shopping, but I did it backwards this year. So let me share with you the menu. This is what I always keep it on, this sheet here. And I will try to find it. You guys, I found it on Pinterest. I thought I saved it, but I can't find it. I've been hunting for it, but there's so many free printables that you can find on the internet, and I will do my best to try to find this. I really will. It doesn't even have the name of the website on it, so I will try to link that for you down below. I need to make more copies of this. I think it's still on my computer, but just to be safe, I need to make more copies of this. So let me share with you the menu. Let's go over the menu, and then I will share with you the grocery hauls. So I'm gonna write breakfast down here. In the morning, I am thinking maybe I'll do some overnight oatmeal and maybe a breakfast casserole. I have that recipe in my holiday planner, my Christmas planner. So I'm just gonna put down here breakfast casserole, maybe some overnight oats. Let's start with appetizers. I'm gonna do the shrimp dip. That is so yummy, and I have a video on that. Anything you want to see, if I have a video on, or link below. With the shrimp dip, I serve crackers, chips. It's even yummy if you don't want a carb, just to dip in celery. So good. I am going to do a charcuterie board because that is a nice light lunch. So they'll have breakfast and a light lunch. I'll have these out to nibble on. So that, again, we'll have the crackers, some cheese, the meats, dried Italian salami. I usually put deviled eggs as a side dish, but they love the deviled eggs, and I know Callie would like to have them for Thanksgiving. So I'll have a little tray for them of deviled eggs to have. So, and with my charcuterie board, you know, there's gonna be like cashews, and we have nuts and all that, pickles. So that is our appetizers. I really would like to do my cranberry salsa A little bit of it. That could be on the charcuterie board. We'll see. Then the star. All right, and of course the star is the turkey and ham. Now I am gonna do what I usually do and cook a ham. I make, with the leftover turkey, I make broth and I make soup. And then I can freeze some of that. With my leftover ham, I like to keep some out for leftovers for picking during the week, and I like to make a split pea soup. So by us cooking the ham on Thursday with just the 5 of us here, we're still gonna get all that yumminess to make food. And of course, we're taking over a plate to Grandma and Aunt Cindy. I know this is upside down, but if I do it the other way, my hand blocks my writing. Okay, so for side dishes, we are going to do the slow cooker stuffing. Love it. And of course, mashed potatoes. And then we're going to do sweet potatoes. Yeah, so over on this section here, it says vegetables. I'm going to put green bean casserole. Best is red cabbage. Another side dish, it's not a vegetable. It's either gonna be strawberry or raspberry pretzel salad. I have all for both. So I'm just gonna ask the kids the day before when I make it which one they want. They're both so good. It'll be hard to choose. With the main, I'm just gonna put gravy because I am making the gravy. I have some chicken wings that I bought. I did share this recipe, links below. It's so good. I tried to do it the year after with drumsticks. It didn't work out. So I'm gonna put that there. I do have rolls that are in the freezer, ready to go. And then I have, it's really not a vegetable. I could really move the mashed potatoes over here, but whatever, it's really weird. Both of them just should be sides. Dave and I talked about this before, like last year. This should just be sides. I think so, because I crossed it off last year and put side dish. See, so yeah. All right, so, and then I'm gonna do a cranberry sauce that is so yummy. And if I don't end up making it, which I plan to, but if I don't, then we got the good old can, which is delicious. And then of course, there's the leftover deviled eggs from having them out from appetizers. So I do have the deviled eggs. All right, so that is what we are having. Let's go to dessert. Okay, so for dessert, I have blueberry pie in my freezer already that I made. You will see that on Thursday. We're gonna do an apple pie, and we have pumpkin. And there was talks for my oldest boy, a chocolate cream pie and banana. We'll see about the banana. But I always have to do a lemon pie. There is a lemon pie that I absolutely love. That's a lot of pie, right? But it could go back in the refrigerator, can have a piece a day, and it'll just get spread out. Oh, and I'm also doing minced meat to bring to Grandma. So I do have a jar of minced meat. She loves minced meat, so I'll be doing that as well. Okay, for drinks, honestly, it is water, and I did buy some sparkling cider. That is that. This looks good. A lot of food for the 5 of us this year, but we love having leftovers all week long. I don't have to make dinners. Super chill for the rest of the weekend. Yes, so this is our Thanksgiving menu for 2020. Okay, now that we have the menu, let me share with you the grocery hauls. I went to a few stores from, I don't remember, but let's hop into it and it'll be on the screen for you. Here is my shopping haul at Walmart. This is the starting point for Thanksgiving. All right, the Mrs. Cubbidson's cube stuffing. I love making the slow cooker stuffing recipe down below. In fact, anything that has a recipe, I'll just leave down below for you guys, okay? So we've got enough for 2 times. So grab that, some yellow cornmeal, I was out of that. 2 more cans of minced clams, some Jiffy corn muffin mix. This is for the cornbread. And with that, I got the Betty Crocker yellow cake mix. Such a yummy, easy cornbread recipe. Grab some chips, barbecue, Doritos, and Lay's. The Lay's are for Thanksgiving. The barbecue is for eating now, and the Doritos are for now. I'm making a Dorito taco salad, which is so yummy, and I needed some Catalina dressing, so we got that. That's one of our dinners during these next couple weeks. Some more Cholula Chipotle hot sauce. 2 boxes of strawberry and raspberry Jello for the raspberry pretzel salad, and we also make it in strawberries. Okay, I grabbed some fajita mix. We're gonna make some fajitas. Evaporated milk for the pumpkin pies and things. 4 cans of tiny shrimp. That's for our shrimp dip. I grabbed 2 brands. I usually get Geisha. I don't know if I've ever tried Bumblebee, but we're gonna see which is better. Bananas. Some more green chili enchilada sauce. We love eating enchiladas, and whenever we have leftover chicken, that's like one of our go-tos. 2 cans of pineapple chunks. 2 boxes of blueberry mix. My kids just love this blueberry muffin mix. If I don't make my own blueberry muffins, this is the winner. I do have a video on the best boxed blueberry mix for blueberry muffins, and this one, that is down below. 4 boxes of spice cake. You guys, spice cake has been missing on the shelves here for a very long time. Came in and I grabbed 4 because we have quite a few yummy Thanksgiving recipes that we like to make with that. Split peas. Whenever we have ham during the holidays, we love making split pea soup with the ham bone. For our apple pies, I grabbed Granny Smith in Honey Crisp. Lemons to make our blueberry pie with. And I have blueberries for that. Strawberries for our cranberry sauce. I'm going to try to see if I can make the cranberry sauce and freeze it ahead of time. So we could see if that works. We'll see. We'll see. Broccoli for our dinners. Sweet bell peppers for our fajitas. And green onions, because you always got to have green onions. It's just delicious. So this, oh, and large white eggs, 60 eggs. So this is the start to Thanksgiving. So here is my Walmart haul. We're eating some Hershey Kisses. That was part of it. There's other stuff in this haul that I can't share with you because it's for Christmas. So the other thing about this haul is I got Christmas M&Ms that are not on here, that are put away because I'm starting the baking process this weekend. So I did get some Christmas M&Ms and some Christmas stuff for the kids. That was part of this haul. But I grabbed more cupcake liners. And I got more, just this red and green to make it Christmassy to use throughout the rest of this 2 months. And then I needed more white regular ones. I grabbed more of the buttermilk ranch packets for Jana's roast, and I also need zesty Italian. It's one of our favorite meals, and in fact I've got it going in my slow cooker right now. Okay, I grabbed some chocolate pudding for some desserts, some pies and things, and there's a cake I want to try. I needed some pistachio pudding. I have a couple of recipes for pistachio pudding, and I have some boxes in my food storage, but they'll end up getting used within the next 2 months. Some more parchment paper. I already have one of these, but I grabbed another to have on hand. 2 loaves of bread and some tortillas. We go through a lot of these, so got that. 2 extra virgin olive oils to have on hand, and then 2 sweet and sour sauces. This is like one of my sweet and sour meatballs that we do in the slow cooker. Also in this haul that you don't see is I did grab some frozen meatballs to go with those. And that you're not seeing here, I picked up romaine lettuce, and Cool Whip. That's already put away. I picked up a couple of more honeys to have on hand. I've used a lot with baking bread. One of our dessert recipes, I needed marshmallow cream, frosting for the cupcakes, got milk chocolate and vanilla, and then 2 boxes of Honey Made graham crackers for snacking and for desserts. Do my own crust. Some clear knives. I needed some more knives. Tomatoes on the vine. 2 packages of paper plates. I did it at Walmart instead of just grabbing a ton from the bulk stores. I grabbed some tissue boxes, and 6 of them. I grabbed them at Walmart instead of doing the bulk store too. I grabbed this for the toilet bowl. I'm going to try the Clorox bleach. You put them in the back of your bowl, and I'm going to put those in there. And then some more Bona cleaning pads. These are just for the really quick messes instead of pulling out the reusable microfiber pad that they have. So I do like these, but I also grabbed up some of the Bona hard surface floor formula as well to start cleaning with the floor. So I really like these, but I ended up grabbing this time. Okay, I grabbed some more dish soap. I like the Dawn Apple, and it's antibacterial, which I like washing my dishes with the antibacterial. And 2 of the Lysol laundry sanitizers to throw in with our laundry with all the germs and stuff. I'm really liking this. So I will do like every other load with this. I don't use it in every load, but I have been using this a lot more, and it's just peace of mind that our clothes are getting all the uckies and germs off. I still need to look over the sales ads. When I went shopping, the sales were just barely starting. Maybe I can take a peek at them and see what they got. It's always good to see and build up your pantry, right? So check your sales, use your coupons. So I've already started my holiday baking. I was doing that all day today, so I was checking earlier and I found some pumpkin puree on my face, you guys. So today I've already put together a blueberry pie for you, made pumpkin puree from scratch, made some pumpkin pies. So that is coming on Thursday, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be filming for the next 3 days. So I did part 1 of the video. It'll all be together in one video, but part 1 today was done. My goal tomorrow is to head out to go grab a turkey. I really wanna get Trader Joe's turkey, natural, no hormones. So I wanna go grab that and get it in the refrigerator in the garage. So that is my goal for my turkey, is to get tomorrow. I already have everything else, the ham. Shop your non-perishable items, already done that. But the only thing that I do need to buy for perishables next week, I might get them this weekend, is I need fresh sage, rosemary, thyme. I need all those fresh herbs for Derek for the turkey and for the stocks and soups that I'm going to be making. So I do need to get my hands on those. Make and freeze meals. I'm not going to be freezing anything. I'm just going to make a lot of the things the night before, put them in the refrigerator. I like making my green bean casserole the night before, and my sweet potatoes because they don't take up time in the oven. But I might be able to do the sweet potatoes the day of because my oven will be free. I might put the ham in the oven, I'm not sure. But I'm definitely going to do the green bean casserole the night before because I like it to thicken up and not be so runny the day of. So the stuffing will be made the day of. It'll be done in the slow cook. What is next on my list? I have this in my binder. It's so handy. There's so many lists online, you guys, on how to prepare for Thanksgiving. So many. This is how I just found mine. Check kitchen inventory. I did that, but last week when I looked over my spices, I thought that I had a pretty good amount in my ground ginger, but the outside of it, there was ginger on the outside. There's ginger along the inside of the tube, so it looked like, you know, I was doing good. But then when I went to go bake my pumpkin pies today, I need more ginger. So it was a disguise. So I do need more of that. So when I go get my turkey, I'll go grab more ginger. Other than that, I think I am sitting pretty. I did get celery and carrots and all of that, as you saw, and I food savored them. That's coming up on another video for you. I have a video coming up for you, I'm hoping on Sunday, sharing with you some really big grocery hauls, bulk shopping, and I'm not going to be shopping at the bulk stores for the rest of the year. That is my goal. So I have a video on that for you. Linens, I'm probably not going to be doing a tablecloth. I think I'm going to do what I did last year, and I have these paper mats. They're gorgeous and they match the napkins. Everything that I did last year, I think that's how I'm going to set the table for us. All right, you guys, that's where I am on the Thanksgiving planning. Tell me how it's going for you down below. So for all my friends in Canada who just celebrated their Thanksgiving in October, what are some tips and tricks you also had that helped you this year? Please leave them down below. But yes, I would love to hear your comments, suggestions. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.